Hello, my name is Divine Nishoborabyose. I'm animal scientist from Rwamiko sector. So from now I studied in year 2 animal production in Nyagatare campus. So I have some questions about livestock management. Uh, can you introduce yourself and tell us about your background in animal production and livestock management?
Yes, thank you. My name is Muhire Eric. I'm a student in UR Nyagatare campus in the College of Agriculture and Veterinary Medicine in Department of Animal Production, School of Animal Science. I have been working in livestock management for 2 years, focused on dairy cattle and small ruminants, about about feeding system and breeding management in small farm hold.
Yes. What do you think the most breeding technique is more effective than others in livestock performance?
Yes, the modern technique that are most effective than other just now is artificial insemination, synchronization extras, and selecting the good breeds based on their their performance, which is increase the milk production, meat yield, and reduces the uh, spreading of disease from inherited disease, and also uh, can artificial insemination is also mainly effective just now.
So, what challenges do the farmers face with when using modern breeding techniques?
The best challenge is the lack of trained technicians and also cost concern, but farmers they not allowed to 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 get the quality of semens, good quality of the semens, and also some farmers resist to adopt new modern techniques of breeding because because the cost concern and the traditional beliefs.
How do good housing system contribute to the animal welfare and productivity?
Yes, good housing provide provide the comfort, ventilation, cleanliness, both reduce the disease that can affect or outbreak in your animals, and reduce the stress which can increase the livestock, the can improve the livestock production and protect the animal from disease.
Also, in your experience, what mistakes farmers do when choosing housing for their livestock?
Yes, the main mistake the farmers do is overcrowding, to put large number of animal in small area, which can cause the overcrowding, and also the some forget the ventilation, which can cause the respiratory disease, and the others using the poor cooling materials, which can cause the humidity and difficult to for cleaning to the animal. Both that mistake can cause the many problems and many issues in livestock.
How is technology changing livestock management today? For example, the GPS tracking, heat detection tools, and automated feeding.
So today the technology increase the efficiency and the the labor because many jobs that performed by laborers, the technology is also perform that job. It is that reason why the technology changing the livestock management about it today.
Do you think the data collection may help farmers? Why or why not? May I repeat the question?
Repeat again.
So, do you think the data collection is useful? Why or why not?
Yes, it is. It is useful. It is useful just now because it allow farmers to track the milk production and feeding partners and breeding history. The data collection is also just now is also factors that can use it in record keeping of our livestock production.
So, what recommendation do you give to the farmers about modern technology in livestock?
Yes, my recommendation to the farmers, I would advise the farmers to use the digital affordable tools like heat detectors and also record keeping tools and also work with the extension officers that they give the skills and the knowledge about how can use the digital tools like for heat detectors and also GPS because both it requires the high skills to know about how that tools use it. So it is that reason why I would like to advise a farmers to work with extension officers.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhir, for your presence and your good answers to my questions.
Thank you, and thank you also for your good questions. I'm satisfied. It is so good.